Guys, today we are starting a new segment called Turtle. So Turtle is nothing but drawing. So there's another coding programming area called KTurtle which allows you to draw many animations and stuff like that. So this is basically the turtle section. So we are going to go through all of these segments that are there inside it. So let's start off with the design. So button. Let's rename this as button draw. Let's keep the text as draw. Yeah. So this is the most important one. Pen up, pen down. So let's go to ornament. First we need an ornament. So ornament button draw is clicked. So we want the pen to go down. So we don't need it to be in the air while we're drawing. So please remember, keep the pen down before starting a drawing. And if you want to end the drawing and move your turtle cursor to another area, make sure to keep it up. So pen down. And this is basically like, so basically move forward, backward. Then this is the X and Y position. So let's just try and move forward by, so this 25 is basically how many pixels forward. So 25 is really short. Let's make it around 50. So move, it'll go forward by 50 pixels, and then if we wanted to go backward, we can make it go back 25 pixels. So it'll be halfway through. And after that, this is basically X and Y position. So as I explained before in my previous videos, this just moves the cursor to a random area or to whichever area you want it to go to, depending on the X and Y position. So this dot radius code is basically used for creating circles. So along the radius of a circle, it creates a dot and it draws the thing. So this is turn right, left, and this is basically the angle. So by 90 degrees turn right and 90 degrees left, same like that. And this is turn 2. So basically you can use this like if you want to go 270 degrees in a reflex angle, this is the one that you have to use, a custom angle. So this is arc left and arc right. This is used for creating semicircles. And this is the get X, get Y. So this gets the current Y coordinate in pixels of the turtle. And this is the get direction. I'm not sure what this does, but I think it's another thing like the X and Y position. And this is the pen up, pen down. Pen up is the one that moves your pen up, and while moving it does not draw. And pen down is when you don't is when you want it to draw and it draws. And pen width. So this is a really cool feature. So if you wanted to keep it to 5, okay, never mind, that doesn't work. But the pen width, you get it, it increases the width of the pen. Like if you want it to be really thick, you can make it to around 100. If you want it to be really small, you can make it to 1. Okay, this is the pen width, pen color. So the color is basically whichever color you want the pen to draw in. This is the RGB, red, green, blue, and the rest. So this is what I explained in my first ever video, and make sure to check that out. So this is the show hide, makes the turtle invisible or visible at its current location. And this is the speed. So this is basically the speed at which the turtle executes the actions based on the code. So thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.